Which of the following numbers it is a perfect square? Which of the following numbers it is a perfect square? Now if you see, options are 14 factorial into 15 factorial by 2, 15 factorial into 16 factorial by 2, 16 factorial into 17 factorial by 2, 17 factorial into 18 factorial by 2. Now, first thing, what is the keyword in this question? Which of the following it is a perfect square? Which of the following it is a perfect square? Any perfect square will be of the form n square. N is a natural number. A perfect square will be of the form a square of a number multiplied by itself. Number multiplied by itself, it is called a perfect square. Number multiplied by itself, it is called a perfect square. First we understood the keyword. Second point, n factorial is given by n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial. 4 factorial it is given by 4 into 3 factorial. We will use these two important key points and we will try to solve a problem. First, see here. Question is 14 factorial into 15 factorial. Let us do from bottom up. 17 factorial into 18 factorial. 18 factorial can be written as 18 into 18 minus 1, 17 factorial divided by 2. 18 by 2, it is 9. 9 into 17 factorial whole square. 9 can be written as 3 square. 17 factorial whole square. So this is 3 into 17 factorial whole square. 3 into 17 factorial whole square. Is it of the form square of a number? Definitely yes. Is it of the form square of a number? Definitely yes. So answer for this question is 17 factorial into 18 factorial. 17 factorial into 18 factorial divided by 2. Let us also see why other numbers are not perfect squares. So this is 16 factorial. 17 factorial is 17 into 16 factorial divided by 2. 17, it is not divisible by 2. Not possible. This is 15 factorial into 16 factorial. 16 into 15 factorial into 15 factorial divided by 2. 2 8s are 16. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 are right. This is not possible. This is 15 factorial is 15 into 14 factorial whole square divided by 2. 15 it is not divisible by 2. Which of the following it is a perfect square? Perfect square power will be a multiple of 2, right? 17 it is not divisible by 2. 58, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. It is not possible. 15, it is not divisible by 2. I hope the question is clear. Based upon this one, let us create another question. Question is goes like this. 1 is written once, 2 is written twice, 3 is written thrice, 4 is written 4 times, 4 is written 4 times, 5 is written 5 times, 5 is written 5 times, 6 is written 6 times, 6 is written 6 times, 7 is written 7 times, 7 is written 7 times, 8 is written 8 times, 8 is written 8 times, 9 is written 9 times, 9 is written 9 times, 9 is written 9 times. Which of the following elements? This is a set. This is a set. Which of the following elements in the set? Which of the following elements in the set are perfect squares? Which of the following elements in the set are perfect squares? This is the question. 1 is written once, 2 is written twice, 3 is written thrice, 4 is written 4 times, 5 is written 5 times, 5 times, 6 is written 6 times, 7 is written 7 times, 8 is written 8 times, 9 is written 9 times. Each and every digit is written that many number of times. Which elements in the set are perfect squares? Very, very good question. Now once we understand all the properties, one by one we will do. A perfect square never ends with. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. Perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Second concept. If a perfect square unit digit is 6, if the perfect square unit digit is 6, tens place is odd. If the perfect square unit digit is 6, tens place is odd. 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 14 square 196, 16 square 256. Any perfect square ending with 6, tens place should be odd. Tens place should be odd. Tens place is even. It is not possible. Any perfect square units place is 5. Units place is 5. Tens place will be 2. 5 square 25, 15 square 225, 25 square 625. This is not possible. This is not possible. 1 square it is 1. It is possible. 1 square it is 1. First element it is a perfect square. First element it is a perfect square. Next one. Any perfect square when divided by 8, either it gives a remainder 0 or remainder 1 or remainder 4. Any perfect square divided by 8 perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 4 or it gives a remainder 4. I hope the idea it is clear. So let us do one by one. 999999. Last two digits are 99. Any perfect square when divided by 4 perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 1. 99 is 4 into 24 plus 3. 4 into 24 plus 3. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. This is out, this is out. The number it is 4444. The number it is 4444. Last two digits 44. 4 11s are 44. 8 5s are 40. 44. 8 5s are 40. 8p plus 4. That is also possible. Any perfect square when divided by 3 perfectly divisible, or it gives a remainder 1. 4 4s are 16. 3 5s are 15, remainder 1. So 44444. 44444. It lies between which two numbers? 4444. 4400. 65 square is 422. It is ending with which number? 44. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 44. 12 square is 144. X square 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. These also I discussed. Last two digits will be same. 12 square it is 144. 12 square it is 144. So x square 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. X is 12. So it is 12 square 144. 50 plus 12. 62 square is 3844. 100 minus 12 is 88 square. 7744. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12, it is 38 square. 38 square is 1 triple 4. 38 square is 1 triple 4. What is the number? 44444. It is not possible. I hope it is clear. It is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, it should match with any of these values. Very, very good question. 1 written once, 2 written twice, 3 written thrice, 4 written 4 times, 5 written 5 times, 6 written 6 times, 7 written 7 times, 8 written 8 times, 9 written 9 times. 2 written 2 times. A perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. This is out, this is out, this is out, this is out. A perfect square when divided by 4, remainder 0 or remainder 1, 99. 4 into 24 plus 3, not possible. Next one, any perfect square ending with 6, tens place is odd. Here it is 6, it is out. Any perfect square unit digit it is 5, tens place should be 2, this is out. These I checked by using this logic. Very, very good question.